In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my Twitter settings. First, let's start with a simple but effective step. Close and reopen the X app or refresh x.com. You can do this by tapping the app's icon on your device or clicking the refresh button in your web browser. This action helps reset the app or page and can clear temporary glitches. Many users find that this quick fix resolves various minor issues. You might see the app or website load more smoothly afterward. This step is crucial because it prepares the platform to function correctly, which is essential for the following actions. Next up, sign out, then sign back in. This step is vital for ensuring that your session is refreshed. To do this, locate your profile icon and choose the sign out option. After you've signed out, wait a moment before signing back in. This process helps clear any session-related errors that might be causing your settings not to save or function correctly. Once you log back in, you can check if the issues have been resolved. A fresh login often clears up many persistent problems and gives you a clean slate to work from. After that, it's time to update the X app or your web browser. Keeping your app or browser up to date is crucial for optimal performance. You can check for updates in your App Store or by navigating to the settings menu of your web browser. Updates often include bug fixes, improved features, and enhanced security measures. Once you've completed the update, restart the app or refresh the web page. This step ensures that you are using the latest version, which can handle your settings more efficiently. Now, let's clear your browser's cache and cookies if you are using x.com. This action is necessary because accumulated cache and cookies can interfere with how websites operate. To do this, go to your browser settings and find the Privacy or Security section. Here you will see options to clear browsing data. Make sure to select cache and cookies. After clearing this data, reload x.com. You will notice that this step can drastically improve loading times and resolve many display issues. Next, disable any browser extensions or VPNs temporarily. Sometimes these tools can conflict with how X operates. To disable them, go to your browser's extensions menu and turn them off. If using a VPN, disconnect it for the time being. This will help you identify if any of these are causing the problems with your settings. Once disabled, return to X and check if the issue persists. This step is important because it isolates potential external factors that may be affecting your settings. With that ready, go to Settings and Privacy and recheck the affected setting. Navigate through the menu to locate the specific setting that was causing issues. Sometimes simply revisiting the settings can trigger them to refresh correctly. Take a moment to ensure everything is set up as you want. This step is significant as it allows you to confirm that all your preferences are applied correctly. Finally, if the issue continues, try X on another browser or device. This is a last resort but can be very effective in pinpointing the problem. If X works correctly on a different browser or device, then the issue likely lies with your original setup. This step can save you a lot of time in troubleshooting and can help you find a quick solution. By following these steps, you can resolve most issues related to your X settings. You will feel confident in navigating and adjusting your settings without hassle. Thank you for watching.